Angie De Arsaplan from BSD M2D, and now let's tackle about the importance of water transportation and their types. So, what is water transportation? Water transportation is the most cost-effective method of moving large, perishable, and heavy products across long distances. This method of travel is mainly used to carry people as well as perishable and non-perishable items. So what are the types of water transportation and their function? First is cruise ship. Cruise ship is one of the most well-known and exciting types of water transport. Cruise ship is designed for staying at sea for an extended period of time. They differ from liners and they stop at multiple ports as part of ground trip. On board, you will find a range of amenities including cabins, restaurants, shops, theaters, cinemas, and more. Second is yacht. Yacht is used for pleasure and usually the height of luxury. You tend to find yachts moored at places like Puerto Banos in Marabella or Cannes in France. Lastly, a ferry. A ferry is a type of boat generally used to carry passengers short distance from A to B. They use within waterside cities as public transport such as the ferries in Venice or the ferry across the Mersey in Liverpool. And that's all for the importance of water transportation and their types. Thank you for listening.